Hey everyone, want Vivamax but don't want to enter card details? Let me show you how to grab a redeem voucher code in 1 minute. Number 1, open the Lazada website or app and search for Vivamax voucher. Number 2, choose your plan. 7-day, 30-day, etc. and add to cart and complete checkout. Number 3, after payment, go to my orders, view the voucher product. Copy your voucher code from the other details or confirmation email. Number 4, head to vivamax.net voucher in your browser or open the VMX mobile app. Enjoy unlimited streaming on Vivamax. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.